Welcome back to the channel, Mud Mods and Beers, Andy79, handbrake staffed.
Faggot!
So maybe we won't fix it, maybe we'll just leave it as it is, or we could fix it. Alright, let's show you the problem. Alright, we're here with Ando. Ando, just let your handbrake off. Is it in first gear?
No.
Just put it in first gear. Alright, let your hand. We've already chalked the wheels, so let your handbrake off. Now, pull it up and give us the clicks until it's tight. Oh, you're supposed to count them, you monkey. Try it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. That's 20.
There's a few here. There's a few. Alright, so we're going to go and try and tighten this handbrake and we'll see what we come back with. So let's go. Just in case you haven't noticed yet, new merch has arrived. So what we want to do now, the handbrake's off, chocks are in. You'll see up here this hole, right? So we got to bring this down to the bottom center because that's where the ratchet is. So we'll spin the drum around to about the center at the bottom. Should be there. If we get our screwdriver in, we gotta find it. The screwdriver's not long enough. I gotta get a longer one. I'll be back. So in here there's like a worm gear, and what we want to do is we want to lever the worm gear up, and because there's pads in here. This is a disc brake obviously on for the car, but the handbrake pads push against this cylinder. What we want to do is just adjust them out a little bit. So we want to get in here, and you'll feel the teeth there, and you want to just sort of, you get a feel for it. You'll ratchet them up. There we go. So we'll keep going. It's a bit fiddly, but once you get it, you'll know when you've got it. And you want to get it until they're probably not tight, but just until it's harder to move. And you'll feel that the drum's still moving, so we'll keep going a little bit more. Once you get it, you'll get it, and you'll get a feel for where the teeth are. Just there. You want to keep going until it's tight. You can't move the drum. Let's get it a lot tighter. I'll just give another couple of goes. Alright, so that's not moving at all now. So what we want to do now is just back it off a little bit. So obviously the handbrake's not staying on there. You'll feel the teeth. Just there. Alright. So that's that one done. So we'll go around, we'll do the other side, we'll not video that, but when we've done that, we'll come back in and we'll show you where we're up to. So we've adjusted the other side. Let's have a look at the clicks, Ando, see what happens. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Beautiful. So that's it, adjusted up. Job's done. So that's Mud, Mods and Beers for another episode. Please like and subscribe us. It really helps us out, and we'll see you the next time.